जय हिंद एवरीवन, आई एम कैडेट राइजा गोयल एंड आज हम लर्न करेंगे अबाउट फ्लीट्स। अब आपने अपनी इंग्लिश क्लास में सुना होगा कि फ्लीट्स क्या होते हैं। सो वीव हर्ड इट्स अ ग्रुप ऑफ शिप्स, राइट? सो फ्लीट अगेन इन द इंडियन नेवी इज आल्सो a group or of various types of warships. Now we have various type of warships like corvettes, frigates, destroyers, which we're going to learn at a later stage. But now we need a unit to fight the battle. एक ship से हम battle नहीं जीत सकते, right? So these warships and aircrafts together are organized to fight battles and wars. So the Indian Navy specifically has two fleets, and we're going to learn about those two fleets. Now these are the Western fleets and the Eastern fleets. So coming to the Western fleet first, as we learned in our commands, the Western fleet is here on the western coast and it is based in Mumbai. So it is somewhere here, right? And it is commanded by the Rear Admiral designated, who is known. So uska rank Rear Admiral hai, but what is he called? He's called the Flag Officer Commanding Western Fleet, or known as the FOCWF. Now, similar to the Western Fleet, we have the Eastern Fleet right here. अब हमने इससे पहले भी पढ़ा था that it is located in Visakhapatnam, so somewhere here. Now, it is also commanded by a Rear Admiral, right? And just as उसका rank Rear Admiral है, the name given to him is Flag Officer Commanding Eastern Fleet, also known as the FOCEF. Now, it's very similar to what we call the fleets is the flotilla. So what is flotilla? It is a group of small vessels. Please emphasize on this word. Small vessels is a very important word here. Organized in a group called local flotilla. Now, this something called local flotilla is placed under the commands of the naval officer in charge. Who is the naval officer in charge? He is in charge of the small area and he's known as the area commander. So service subject ki book mein we've given an example of the Maharashtra area because the biggest local flotilla that we have is based in Mumbai, and this officer is known as FOMA or FOMA, which is known as the Flag Officer Maharashtra area. So just on the map, Maharashtra is here, right? So now we talked about small vessels, but why do we need these small vessels, right? And fleet बना सकते हैं तो flotilla क्यों बनाना है? Now let's learn about the role of these small vessels. They're also known as patrol vessels. Now what we mean by patrolling is, now let's say for example यहाँ से pirates enter कर रहे हैं, all right? अब किसी को तो रोकना पड़ेगा ना इन pirates को यहाँ पे enter करने से. So that is the role of the patrol ships that we have. Illegal immigrants say, I want to travel from Sri Lanka to India, this is my only route. If I have a flotilla here in Mumbai, I can stop them. And then there's smuggling. Now you can smuggle things like gold or even things like narcotics for that matter. So it is very important to understand the difference between a fleet and a flotilla. It's nowhere the same. Then our last topic for today is shore establishments. Now this is also a very similar topic, but now the shore establishments are only under the administrative authority. They don't have any particular function which is related to the on-ground work that the ship does. तो इसमें हमारी two चीजें included होती हैं. Training of officers and sailors. This is its most important function here. And then obviously provide logistic support and ally harbor facilities. Obviously ships are at harbor, right? I hope everyone knows that. And if not, we can explain that as well. And it provides facilities to ships such as playgrounds. अब आपके खेलने वाले playgrounds नहीं है वो, जहाँ ship रुकती है उसे हम playground कहते हैं. And then we have recreation facilities, etc. Because obviously both the officers and the ships need repair, need some kind of enjoyment for themselves, right? So that was it from our side for this video, and I hope you have a good time learning service subject. Thank you.